JNTUK R16, 4th BTech ECE, subject satellite communication, unit number 3, lecture series number 20, topic system noise temperature and G/T ratio, Department of ECE, Chevrolet Engineering College. Welcome to this online lecture. So as we know that from previous discussion, so these are the given noise values. So that is the signal single source noise with the noise temperature. Clear? Single source of noise with the noise temperature generates the same noise power that should be represented by equation number 1. So what is the equation? Pn equals to gain of mixer stage, gain of IF amplifier, gain of RF amplifier, Boltzmann constant, system noise temperature, and so the noise power at the output of noise model that should be represented by this figure. So here noise model of the receiver with a single noise source. So here it is the total noise power input, that is the noise temperature input. So here entire information is represented by its noise source. So it is the noise source. So that equals to here Ts. And the system noise temperature that equal to Ts at the input of the noiseless receiver with identical gain of the particular receiver is here we have noiseless receiver. So for such type of noiseless receiver, gain of particular system is equation represented as product of all gains. Clear? That is GRF, GM and GIF. So by using these information, so here we are formulating the equation that equals to KBN TS, that equals to KBN multiplied by, so we have RF system noise, input noise, TM by GRF plus TIF divided by GM GRF. So by solving this equation, so we have system noise temperature that that is formulated by here this one. So Ts equals to Ts equals to TRF T in Tm by GRF plus TIF divided by GM into RF. Okay. So succeeding stages of this receiver contribute less and less noise to the system noise temperature. So frequently when RF amplifier is used in the receiver, so front end has a high gain. So therefore noise is contributed by this IF amplifier, and a later stage that can be ignored, and the system noise temperature is simply the sum of the antenna noise temperature and LNA noise temperature. So by incorporating that information, so here we mentioned the one equation for the noise. So that is here. So noise temperature. So this is the system noise temperature formulated here. So that's why here I mentioned succeed stages of the receiver contributes less and less noise to the total system noise temperature. So that's why in the receiver, if we can cascade the equivalent circuit for this type of superheterodyne, so noise is quietly reduced in this configuration. So therefore evaluation of the noise temperatures is possible. And again, for example, here when RF amplifier in the receiver is used as front end type. So we have the front end configuration. So therefore we will able to provide a high gain and a noise contribution by the IF amplifier. Later stages are to be ignored when the system noise temperature is simply sum of the antenna noise and LNA. That's why the conclusion here drawn. So that is the TS equals to T antenna plus noise temperature provided by the LNA. Clear? So note that if the values of these gains are to be introduced, so the component gain must be the linear ratio. So we have the linear ratio that are not be available in the decibel formats. So that's why here I mentioned these assumptions, all the noise comes in the form of the antenna and generated in the receiver. So all available noise should be, we have to estimate the noise temperature while calculating of this system noise temperature. Clear? So next point, in some circumstances, we need to use different model to deal with the noise at the receiver after passing through the lossy medium. So therefore we can use such type of waveguides or rain losses. So these are the two main examples for such type of the noise calculations. And similarly, if you can add the noise model, so the suppose if you add the noise model, so we can model the noise emission as a noise source placed at the output of the atmosphere. So noise placement is the one of the important source. So noise source. So we have to place this noise source where at the output of the output of the atmosphere, which is should be at antenna aperture. So we have to place this noise equivalent circuitry at the antenna aperture. So for such type of circuitry, here we are simply say noise. So that equals to Tn naught equals to, so what is the physical noise involved with 1 minus gain of the particular noise. Clear? So what is here G1? So that is called linear gain here. So linear gain of the attenuating device or medium. And this TP, what is the TP here? So it is the physical temperature. So that physical temperature may be available in kelvins. Degree kelvins of the particular device. Suppose one may asked to evaluate the attenuation. So how to evaluate this attenuation is simply nothing but attenuation provided by, that is attenuation of the particular receiver. Let take A, so that will be available here. Let take G1 into, it equals to 10 power A divided by 10. So based upon this knowledge, let me solve one problem. For a given receiver, suppose for a given receiver of 4 gigahertz, so they mentioned the values, so that equals to T in equals to 25 kilo, TRF equals to 50 kilo, the TIF equals to 1000 kilo, T mixer 500 kilo, GRF 23 dB, the GIF 30 dB. Clear? This is the given data. So question is calculate the system noise temperature that the mixture has the gain 0 dB. So here a question here. So calculate system noise temperature And take let assumption mixer has gain. So the gain of particular mixer equals to 0 dB. So how we will solve? So we have the formula. So we know that just recall. So we know that system noise temperature. So that is the system noise temperature. So we have formula now. T in. So what is the formula we have? Just to recall the formula. T in plus TRF plus TM by GRF plus PIF. So from this one, so T in, what is the T in here? 25 TRF T. What is the TM by RF? So we have the 500 mixture divided by 200 plus 1000 divided by 200. So what is in our calculators? So we have 87.5K. So by the given data, this is the value for TS. So take snapshot. This is the value for TS. So now if the mixer has a loss, so what is the effect of IF amplifier that would be greater? So for such type of case, so what is the important consideration equal to? Here we are be taken as a mixer equals to minus 10 dB. Okay. What is the problem number? What is the second bit in the particular question is B bit. So, so calculate same system noise temperature when So when the mixer has gain minus 10 dB loss. So how to solve this case? So for GM equals to minus 10 dB. So for minus 10 dB for a given linear region. So for a given linear region, this GM has 0.1 as a ratio. So repeat the equation. So TS equals to 25 plus 50 plus 500 divided by 200 plus 1000 divided by 20. What is the value here? It is 7.5K. So now third bit goes to take snapshot for this case. This is the way to calculate the system noise temperature. Now let me put the third case. How can the noise temperature question? So how can the noise temperature of receiver be minimized when mixer has loss of 10 dB? So for this question, the key term equal to lowest system noise temperatures are obtained just by using the high gain. So we have familiar about high gain LNA, na? High gain LNA. Suppose if we increase the LNA gain, what will be the revised gains? So GRF RF equals to 50 dB. So add extra for this one. And what is the ratio here? So given the ratio that equals to 10 power 5. Calculate TS. So that is equals to 25 plus 50 plus take 500 by 10 only plus past 1000 divided by 10 power with the value obtained here 70.11. So this is the way how to solve this type of the system noise temperatures. So by using the previous discussion, so what is the TS formula? So we have T in plus TRF. Put the T in here at 75 kilo. So dear students, this is the way how to solve the system noise temperature models as per the given data in the questionnaire. So let we solve another problem.